My name is Carrie Johnson. I'm Wahpeton Dakota and a clinical psychologist. My pronouns are she, her, and I've been working with the Indigenous community in Los Angeles County for the last 25 years. We still see the impacts of intergenerational trauma within our families and our communities. We have high rates of depression, anxiety, high rates of our children in foster care. We still continue just to see that impact. And that's why we have to have these services and programs that really promote healing. Here, living in Los Angeles County, we have a lot of families that were here on relocation. So they were taken from their communities and families. We still work with many families that were impacted by boarding schools. My own mother went to boarding schools, forcibly removed from her family and placed in boarding schools. So this still continues to impact us today, particularly in urban areas. Many of our families feel very disconnected. And we've seen that time and time again, that when families are connected with other Indigenous people and with their culture, they do so much better. Our drum and dance program brings the families together. We provide food for them so they eat together. We discuss important topics with them, and they learn about different dance styles and drum styles. But what we see is that just that coming together of the community is so important. Beading, basket making, picking sage and learning about our traditional medicines, our traditional foods, listening to the community on what they want. Gathering of Native Americans, GONA, that also has been very successful with our youth, learning about intergenerational trauma, learning about what that looks like today for us and our families, but also learning about how resilient we are. We now have data showing that our culture matters, that participating in traditional activities, connecting to our culture is a big part of our healing. We're still here, and together as a community, we can support each other and we can heal so that this trauma isn't continuing to being passed down from generation to generation. But we pass down that strength and that resiliency.